global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness today. Precisely on Saturday at about 2:45 p.m. in the afternoon, UGM visited Federal Road Safety members that were at their checkpoint in Anambra State, took 2 lives, and one was seriously hospitalized, seriously injured, and is in hospital as we speak. The likes of Governor Soludo, in wake of the sit at home and all that, was very vexed. The spokesperson, media person to the Federal Road Safety in Anambra, decided to give a press release and were willing to collaborate with the security agencies in that state to bring the perpetrators to book. And a whole lot of people were screaming, who could it be, UGM and all that. But as we speak, Kanu's brother have decided to give the Nigerian police and security agencies an inkling to those who did it, because there was an outcry. A lot of people were actually pointing, accusing fingers again to the indigenous people of Biafra. Well, as we speak, issues have started to play out, and these are the people they are calling. In fact, they mentioned that the real marks behind this are SEG. I wondered, what is SEG, or who are SEG? In a moment, you're going to find out what it means, who they are, and their supposed or their alleged mission. But before we do that, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, according to the news, Kingsley Kanu, a brother to Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, as at Monday evening, dismissed reports that the group, that's indigenous people of Biafra, is responsible for the murder of a patrol team of the Federal Road Safety Corps members, that's FRSC. Recall that there's a patrol team comprising of an officer, a driver, and 2 other staff that were moved against by UGM in Anambra State. During this move, which occurred on Sunday afternoon along the Igbo Uga route in the state, the assailant brought down 2 personnel, killed 2 personnel, with one sustaining severe injuries. That was on Sunday, sorry, not Saturday, Sunday, please. The team was conducting a routine patrol operations. The team was conducting a routine patrol operations in the area when the armed men opened fire at them, bringing down 2 of the corps members while another escaped into the bush. Reacting to these mindless killings going on in the southeast region of Nigeria, Kanu resorted to propaganda blaming FRSC attack on Finland-based separatists, that's Simon Ekpa. How he got to know it was him, we have no idea, but this is exactly what he wrote. He said, "I want to inform at State Department, at United Nations UN, at Bruce Fein Esquire, at FCDO Government UK, that the latest killings of at Federal Road Safety Commission Nigeria, FRSC Nigeria agent, has nothing to do with the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, but Simon Ekpa gunmen." So that's the full meaning, SEG, Simon Ekpa gunmen. That's what the acronym means. He said they should blame it on SEG that are responsible for these atrocities. He said the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, is committed to peace in Biafra land at UICO ministerial. Caution your citizen. I don't know who this person is. UCO ministerial, caution your citizen. I don't know who that person also is. He said Kunata wrote on his social media handle. Quite a lot of persons have reacted to this. I don't know how Kunata did his investigation and known that it is SEG that did this. He called it Simon Ekpa's gunmen, which means Simon Ekpa now have a group of people that are his gunmen. I have no idea how Kunata got into this information, or how he investigated and came to a conclusion that these are the people who committed or perpetrated this crime. But this is exactly what he's calling him out for. Don't forget that some days back, Governor Soludo mentioned too in a brief interview in channels that there's another person, that this young man, they say is in Finland, always said doing the needful, says taking everything one step at a time. So which means the radar may be moving gently and gradually away from Nnamdi now to Simon Ekpa. But for the now, they all understand what sit at home is all about, and the whole essence of sit at home has always been on the premises of Nnamdi release. A lot have been said concerning it, and a lot is still being said concerning it. But let's feel the pulse of Nigerians, because they are talking, and a whole lot of them are wondering how SEG came into bear. How did Simon Ekpa form SEG? Who are they, and how did they come to become this active, especially in Anambra State? This one here is saying road safety themselves escort more than police this time. Very wonderful people. This one here is saying you must. I pray for God's mercies upon your life. Say amen to that. This person here is saying, Konata Kanu, those that are pushing you will destroy you. You don't know the game you are playing. You people should leave Simon Ekpa alone. He is innocent and genuine Biafra restoration. We Biafrans know who you and your IPOB members stand for. Do not play games with Biafran people, because they will destroy you. We don't care if you are our leader. We don't care if you are our leader, Nnamdi Kanu's brother. Our freedom is not family business. Be very careful, Konata Kanu. We Biafrans are not stupid. We know everything. You and your members are using our freedom for business. Be careful. Who is this saying all this? I don't know. The person just probably is airing his view, and a lot of people are even talking. I want to take one or two comments under his observation. This one is, God, don't say what you don't know. Simon Ekpa is the problem of insecurities in the Southeast now. Why can't he send those boys to Umahi, his brother? He brought them to Anambra to destroy our business, but one day the truth will be let out. This is getting a bit more state-wise now, no longer, because everyone believes that Southeast is one, which is still is one, and everyone believes that each state, regardless of whether it is Anambra or Ebonyi, they're one brother. Now this one is now saying that how come they're not taking this whole issue to Ebonyi, Anambra, where things are happening, always calling out Soludo. Well, I guess Soludo wants a positive change. But let's continue. So here's a story. Has there been any killing that IPOB or ESN accepted responsibility for? The answer they say is no. So another denial is meaningless. A man who ordered that the president of a sovereign state should be arrested is now denying killings in the same state. Does it make sense? This one here says, Kunata, stop speaking what you are not sure of. Another person here is saying, peace or whatever you call your name, beg for God for mercy. After all, the operatives that God killed are human beings and are from the Southeast. Please don't throw stones inside the marketplace. Another person here is saying, that's why you should stop the violent agitation for Biafra. Go for peaceful ways, because you guys have so many armed groups that are not in any way coordinating and seem to have no common interest. If you happen to get the Biafra, it may not be the Biafra you dream of. More violence may rock the country for supremacy. You see this thing this young lady said, people have been talking.